Hello children, welcome to Hindi. Bhasha Bodhini for Standard 4. See, first we are going to learn once again. We are going to revise alphabet, swar, vowels. Just repeat after me children. A, I, U, Ri, Ye, I, Wo, Au, Aha. Then Vyanjan, consonants, Kakha, Gaghanya, Chacha, Jajhana, Tatha, Dadhana, Tatha, Dadhana, प फ ब भ म य र ल व श श स ह संयुक्ताक्षर combined letters क्ष त्र ञ श्र. Okay, now see here page 31. E की मात्रा, the symbol of E. How is the symbol of E? It should come in right side. Okay, so big E, this one, small e should be come in left side, and for the big E it should come in right side. Okay, की, खी, गी, घिनी, टिट्ठी, डिढिनी, पी, फी, बी, भीमी, शी, सी, ही. Okay, see here. ची, छी, झिझिनी, ती, थी, दिधिनी, ई, री, ली, वी, शी, त्रि, नी, श्री. Okay, now see here. What is this? Yes, Veena, Veena, V-E-E-N-A, Veena. Now next picture is, yes, Tir. Tir means arrow. A-R-R-O-W, arrow. Next one is Cheetah. Cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. Now see here children. You have to read and understand. First one is Bees. Bees means what? 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Second one Veer. That is brave. B-R-A-V-E. Brave. So Hindi में क्या बोलते हैं? Veer. Okay. Third one, झील. झील means lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Fourth one, jeep. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Fifth one, tees. Tees means 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Sixth one, pani. That is water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Seventh one, nadi, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Now see the eighth one, machli. That is fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Ninth one, Deepak. Deepak means lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. Tenth one, Diwar. Wall. W-A-L-L, wall. 11th one, Didi. Didi means elder sister. E-L-D-E-R, elder. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. 12th one, Bimar. Disease. D-I-S-E-A-S-E, disease. 13th one, Beeg. Begging. B-E-G-G-I-N-G, begging. 14th one, Titli, butterfly, P-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. Okay children. Now, U की मात्रा, कु, खु, गुखुन्यु, कु, खु, गुखुन्यु, टुट्ठु, डुढुनु, पुफु, बुबुमु, शु, शु, सुहु, चु, छु, जुछुनु, तुथु, दुधुनु, युरु, लुवु, shru, tru, nyu, shru. Okay, see the first picture. What is this? Yes, chuhiya. Chuhiya means rat. R-A-T, rat. Now this one is kursi, chair. C-H-A-I, your chair. Gulab, rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Now see here. Read and understand. Just repeat after me children. First one, gudiya. Gudiya means doll. D-O-L-L, doll. Second one, Subah, morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Third one, Dhanush, bow, B-O-W, bow. Fourth one, Savun, soap, S-O-A-P, soap. Fifth one, Mukut, crown, C-R-O-W-N, crown. Sixth one, Swar, pig, P-I-G, pig. Seventh one, Kachua, tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. Eighth one, Dukan, shop, S-H-O-P, shop. Now see the ninth one, Tulsi, T-U-L-S-I, Tulsi. 10th one, Datun, toothbrush, T-O-O-T-H, tooth, B-R-U-S-H, brush, toothbrush. 11th one, Bustak, book, B-O-O-K, book. 12th one, Sukh, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. 13th one, Dunia, Dunia means world, W-O-R-L-D, world. 14th one, Kutia, H-U-T, hat. 15th one, Tukda, peace, P-I-E-C-E, peace. Okay children. Now see the exercise. First room letter, अक्षर और मात्राएं जोड़कर शब्द बनाएं. You have to join the letters with the symbol and form words. So first one is, you have to write cheetah, cheetah, cheetah. Second one, tir, tir. Third one, veena, veena. Fourth one, gulab, gulab. Fifth one, kursi, kursi. Now, second Roman letter. See what is this first picture is? Yes, gulab, gulab, gulab. So, they have given the words pani, gulab, kachua, dukan. So, which is correct? You have to circle it. Okay, gulab. Second one, dhanush, chuhiya, divar, veena. So, that what is that picture? Yes, chuhiya. Chuhiya means rat. So, circle it in Hindi. So, third one, machli, sabun, mukuta, tir. Yes, tir, arrow. Tir, tir. You have to circle it, tir. Okay. Now, next one is write the meanings in English. First one, teas. In English? Yes, 30. Second one, machli, fish. Third one, bhig, begging. Fourth one, titli, butterfly. Fifth one, datun, toothbrush. Sixth one, tukda, peas. Seventh one, subah, morning. Eighth one, dukan, shop. Okay, children. Now, next one, fill in the blanks. Khali jagah bhariye. See the first one. Ti, thi, di, thi, ni. You have to write. Second one, ku, khu, gu, gu, new. Third one, pi, fi, bi, bi, me. Fourth one, chu, chu, ju, ju, nu. Now, identify the pictures and circle the first letter of the names. See the first one. So, which letter will come for Veena? Yes, pu, vi, chu, ki. Which one is correct? Yes, for the V you have to circle it. First letter you have to circle it. That is Veena, na? So, you have to circle V. See the second one. It's a cheetah, right? So, down it's given ku, chu, chi, pu. So, which one is correct? Yes, circle it chi. Third one, V, P, gu, ku. It's a kutia. So, for the ku, you have to put the circle. Okay, children. Now, चित्र को पहचान कर शब्द को पूरा करो. You have to identify the picture and complete the words. So, first one is, yes, sabun, sabun. You have to write bu here. Second one, ka, chu, a. So, you have to write chu. Third one, dhanush, dhanush. You have to write nu. Okay. See the fourth one, datun, datun. That is toothbrush. You have to write tu. Fifth one, machli, machli. So, what letter will come? Cha. Sixth one, ta, ti, ta, li, titali. Li. You have to write li. Okay, children. Now, see the next u ki matra. Same like that you have to write ku, khu, gu, ghu, nu. Tu, thu, du, dhu, nu. Pu, fu, bu, bhu, mu. Shu, shu, su, hu. Now see here. Chu, chu, ju, ju, nu. Tu, thu, du, dhu, nu. Yu, ru, lu, vu. Shu, tru, nu, shru. Okay. This is U ki matra. So, jhula, jhula, that is swing. S-W-I-N-G, swing. Next, suraj. Suraj means sun. S-U-N, sun. Bhalu, bhalu, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Now, see the next Roman letter. Read and understand. First one, juta. Juta means shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. Second one, chaku, knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. Third one, amrut, guava. G-U-A-V-A, guava. Fourth one, moon, root, R-O-O-T, root. Fifth one, kabutar, pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Sixth one, mooli, radish, R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. Seventh one, rumal, handkerchief, H-A-N-D, hand, K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, handkerchief. Eighth one, mazdoor, that is labor, L-A-B-O-U-R, labor. Ninth one, bhool, mistake, M-I-S-T-A-K-E, mistake. Tenth one, taraju, weighting machine, W-E-I-G-H-I-N-G, weighting machine, M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Next one is doodh, milk, M-I-L-K, milk. 12th one, bahu, daughter-in-law. Bahu, daughter-in-law. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter, I-N-E-L-A-W, daughter-in-law. 13th one, paltu. Paltu means domestic. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic. 14th one, puja, worship. W-O-R-S-H-I-P, worship. Okay. Now, next Roman letter. See, this is Re ki matra. How it is like a C. The symbol of Re is like a C. So, you have to complete this. Cru, cru, gru, gru, nu, tru, dru, 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 nu, pru, fru, bru, bru, mru, shru, shru, sru, hu. Like this you have to complete it. Okay. See here. Chru, jru, 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 nru, tru, dhru, 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 nuru, yuru, fru, vru, shru, nyuru, shru. Okay. Like this ru ki matra should come. Now see here. This is vruksha. Vruksha. You have to write it vruksha, that is tree. T-R-E-E, tree. See here next one. Mruga. Mrug. Mruga, that is deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Next one is krishak. Krishak. Krishak means farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Now see, read and understand. Nurup. Nurup, that is king. K-I-N-G. King. Krup, that is kindness. K-I-N-D-N-E-S-S. Kindness. Nirtya, dance. D-A-N-S-E. Dance. Mritya, death. D-E-A-T-H. Death. Krishna, K-R-I-S-H-N-A-A. Krishna. Sixth one, drishya. Scene. S-C-E-N-E. Scene. See the next one, seventh one. Graha, house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Eighth one, Trun, grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Ninth one, Prithvi, earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Tenth one, Amrut, honey, dew. H-O-N-E-Y. Honey. D-E-W. Dew. 11th one, Krishi, farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. 12th one, Grahkarya, homework. H-O-M-E. Home. W-O-R-K. Homework. Now see the next one. A ki matra. So the symbol of A, it should come in upside only one, like this. Okay. See here. See the symbol. Okay. This is A ki matra. See here. A ki matra. Okay, children. So how you will learn? Ke, khe, ge, ghe, ne. Te, the, de, dhe, ne. Pe, fe, be, bhe, me. She, she, se, he. So see here. Che, che, je, jhe, ne. Te, the, de, dhe, ne. Ye, re, le, ve. She, tre, nye, shre. Okay. So see the first picture. Kela. Kela means banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Shera. Sher. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Then save. Save. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. So read and understand. First one, khel. Play. Second one, paid. Tree. Third one, kapde. Clothes. Fourth one, tej. Fast. Fifth one, devta. God. Sixth one, desh. Country. Seventh one, mehnat. Hard work. Okay. Eighth one, karela. That is bitter god. Ninth one, chehra. Face. 10th one, rail. Train. 11th one, beta. Son. 12th one, mage. Table. 13th one, neta. Leader. 14th one, seva. Service. Okay. Now see here, they have given the exercise. See the first Rome letter. अक्षर और मात्राएं जोड़कर शब्द बनाएं. You have to join the letters with the symbol and form words. See here. First one is given sa. A ki matra plus ba. So you have to write it save. A ki matra, it should come in up. Okay. Save. Second one, krishak. Krishak. Third one, mruga. Mruga. Then fourth one, suraj. Suraj. Fifth one, bhalu. Bhalu. Like this you have to write down. Now see here second one. शब्द को पहचान कर सही शब्द पर कोला लगाइए. Identify the picture and circle the correct words. See here, they given the picture of sun and they have given the 4 words in Hindi, that is chaku, moon, suraj, bhool. So which one is right? Yes. For the suraj you have to put the circle. Now see the next one, second one. Amrut, Krishi, Trun, Mrug. So Mrug, you have to put the circle. Then third one, save, paid, made, share. Which one is right? Yes, save. You have to circle it. Okay, now write the meanings of the following. That is, first one is Desh means what? Yes, country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Second one, Neta means leader. L-E-A-T-E-R, leader. Third one, Kapde means clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Fourth one, Nritya, dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Fifth one, Chaku. K-N-I-F-E, knife. Sixth one, Bahu, that is daughter-in-law. DAUGHTE or daughter, INLAW, daughter-in-law. Seventh one, Muli, radish, RADDISH, radish. Eighth one, Amrut, guava, GUAVA, guava. Okay. Now come to the fourth Roman letter. It's very easy. Fill in the blanks. First one, Chi, Chi, Ji, Ji, Ni. Second one, Tu, Thu, Du, Thu, Nu. Like this you have to write. Third one, Yu, Ru, Lu, Vu. Fourth one, Ku, Khu, Gu, Ghu, Nu. Like this you have to complete. Now see the next Roman letter, fifth Roman letter. First one, see the picture. It's given. You have to circle the correct letters. That is, see here, identify the pictures and circle the first letter of the names. See here, through, ju, gru, pu. So which one is right? What is this? Jula. You have to circle the ju. Okay. Second one is, yes, kela, banana. That is, here they given se, te, be, ke. So which one is correct? Yes, K you have to put the circle mark. Third one, Vru, Chru, Pru, Nuru. So you have to put Vruksha. So Vru. Okay. Now next one is, चित्र को पहचान कर शब्द को पूरा करो. You have to identify the picture and complete the words. First one is, what is this? Yes, knife. In Hindi, chaku, chaku. Second one, juta, juta. Third one, amrud, amrud. Fourth one, sher, sher. Fifth one, mooli, mooli. Sixth one, karela, karela. Okay, children. So complete this. Now we are going to learn rhymes. That is billi mausi. बिल्ली मौसी बिल्ली मौसी, कहो कहाँ से आई हो, कितने चूहे मारे तुमने, कितने खाकर आई हो. क्या बताऊं शीला बहन, आज नहीं कुछ पेट भरा, एक ही चूहा खाया मैंने, वो भी बिल्कुल सड़ा हुआ. ओके. नाउ हियर गिनती नंबर्स. फर्स्ट वन इज 1, सेकेंड वन 2, थर्ड 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 7, 8 8, 9 9, 10 10 10, 11 11, 12 12, 13 13, 14 14, 15 15, 16 16, 17 17, 18 18, 19 19, 20 20, 21 21, 22 22, 23 23, 24 24, 25 25. Now say 1 2 3 4 5, 6 7 8 9 10, 11 12 13 14 15, 16 17 18 19 20, 21 22, 23 24, 25. Okay children, that's all. Till here you complete your textbook and learn well. Okay. Thank you. Dhanyavad.